welcome back to another video. So today's video is just going to be a quick, easy, I'm hoping it will be easy and quick because it's quite late. Anyway, gel polish design. So I'm going to be using Yayoge colours. This is just white and I need a dark green as well. Well, not too dark. This is a little bit darker than I wanted. But the other ones I've got are too light, so I could have done with one in between. So yeah, that's the green I'm going to be using. I'm going to need a gold, and I'm using this gold from Premier Gel. This is so nice. It is so nice. Look at that. Gorgeous. Right, yeah. So I'm going to start with, I think we'll start with the green. And I'm going to want green on the ring finger. Yeah, I want green on this finger, white on these two, and I think I'll put gold on the pinky. And I think this is only going to need one coat. These Yayoge polishes are absolutely brilliant. And I mean, that is just a very thin coat. Look at that. Apart from me going over. But, yeah, definitely one coat. Right, I'm just going to give these two a coat of white as well. With white gel polishes as well, you always want to make sure you put it on in very thin layers, because white and blacks do have a tendency to wrinkle in the lamp. So rather than try and get it full coverage in one coat, you're best off just doing two really thin coats with whites and blacks. Right, and I'm going to put a coat of this gold on the pinky. I think this gold will need two coats, but it's absolutely stunning. I love it. I should use it more often. Oh, look at that. Is that gold just a beautiful colour or what? It's so nice. Right, I'm going to get them cured in the lamp. And I think I'll give this gold a second coat as well. But look at them. One coat. Very thin coats as well. Right, yeah, I'm going to get them cured for 30 seconds. Right, that's them all cured out the lamp. I'm going to give them a quick matte top coat because I want to paint on them. And yeah, it's just a lot easier to paint on a matte surface. I'm not going to be painting on the gold one, so I'm going to leave the gold one as it is. And I'm just going to give the rest of them a quick matte top coat. I'm using Princess Nails by Diana's Diva in a bottle matte top coat. It's my favourite matte top coat. And this cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, I've put some of the green and some of the gold on my palette. I want this to be kind of like a candy cane, but it's going to be green and gold, so it's not a candy cane actually, is it? I don't know what you'd call it. Yeah, it's just going to have green and gold stripes. I'm using this long detailer brush I've got, and yeah, I think I'll do the green ones first. Right, on this middle nail, I'm just going to paint a bauble. And this bauble is going to have a green bow. All the Christmas sets I've been doing up to now have been kind of pink. And I thought I'm going to have to do a set using more traditional colours, like green and red and gold. So yeah, this is my attempt at a more traditional coloured kind of set. Can't get any more traditional than green or red. But I do like my pink nails. So I'm just going to try my best to do a circle. Again, it's so difficult drawing simple shapes on a nail tip because they're curved. So yeah, it's not very easy. Some of these experts make it look easy, and it's not. Right, I think that's quite round, isn't it? Is it round or is it oval? I think that's as round as I'm going to get it. I think if I play with it anymore, I'm going to end up making it not round and wreck it. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I think I'll give it a second coat. Yeah, that's round, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going to cure that and give it a second coat. Right, that had 2 coats now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint a green, just a little green bow on this bauble. Right, that's that bauble nail finished. What I want to do on this green nail now is I want to do just some tiny little, kind of like 4-pronged stars, kind of. Right guys, I'm going to get that cured in the lamp, 30 seconds. What I'm going to do is these 3 nails with the artwork on, I'm going to give them a top coat and a file and a buff just so that they're smooth. And then I'll be back to top coat them. Right guys, that's them being filed and buffed. Just going to give them a quick top coat now, and I've pulled out 3 little tiny gems I'm going to put in the middle of them stars, I think. Yeah. Got a hair there. So let's get these top coated. We'll bring you in a bit for this top coat. Top coat time. I never really do top coat time. I always forget to bring you in a bit closer. Oh, that gold is so pretty. I need to use that more often. It's stunning, isn't it? It's absolutely stunning. I've wanted to do this Christmas a few sets, at least a couple, that I think everybody could do. And I think this is one of them sets. I don't think this is too difficult at all. It's just gel polish set really. yeah, I think everybody could have a good crack at this design. Right, I'm going to get these gems stuck in the middle of these stars. There we go. Right, I'm going to get them cured in the lamp and that'll be them finished. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? I think they're traditional, aren't they? Green and gold. Definitely traditional. Oh, I wish you could see the hollow. Oh, you can. Can you see the hollow in that gold nail? You can see it when it's out of focus more, can't you? Focus that nail in. Look at the gold one. Hollow. Ooh. Wonder if I turn this light down, you'll be able to see the hollow a bit better. No. I think my lights are they're just too strong to show hollow. You can still see it, but yeah, I'm happy with them. Quick, simple, easy set that I think anybody could have a good go at. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit that little bell as well, and that way you'll never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Merry Christmas, take care, bye.